Hello, this is Buzz from Korea Disco. I want to show you how we pack VHS videotapes. So we just sold Batman 2, so I thought that would be a good example to show you how we pack videotapes. The first step is we take some leftover bubble wrap to secure the tape inside. Bit by bit we learn. I remember like over a year ago we shipped a videotape and it came back, it was a return, and somehow, even though the tapes sit pretty sturdy inside the case, like these edges cracked. So this means like during transit these boxes can get shaken up quite a bit. So what we do to secure it is to put some bubble wrap in the corners and edges to make sure. This is too small, so just tear up some bubble wrap to secure it so it doesn't move around. It's not a beauty contest, so it just needs to be functional, this one. So put it in there so it sits tight, not too tight because you don't want to crack the case. In this case, this is a pretty sturdy case, so you can go ahead and put some of the wrap inside. So the important part is that it doesn't move, so just the focus should be on these corners. I think that will do. This is too small, so put a little bit bigger tape base or both. Yeah, this should do it. And then on top put a little piece there as well, so it doesn't move on top as well. So that's good, sturdily packed. And also once we got a return and the package got wet a little bit. It got so wet that it soaked even through the edges of the sleeve. That really sucked. So I can imagine if you ship one, it can get wet. So to avoid any water damages, we do wrap them up in OPP sleeves. And it also looks tidy and neat. So this is how it ends up looking. Most of our VHS orders are single tapes, and we have boxes that fit a single tape, so we use these ones. And then we use newspaper for a layer of, I mean, it is tight, like there's pretty strict size rules for the mail. If you put it in a bigger box, the shipping would go up. I mean, it's already expensive enough, the international shipping, so we try to keep that low. And this should be safe enough for a single tape. And 99% of the time these arrive completely fine. So what you want is to keep the tape away from the edges. So we put newspaper around all the edges like that. So it looks like this inside. We throw in a coupon for our website for people who buy at our eBay store. It always will be a little bit cheaper if you buy in our own web store. So, and then just lightly put a layer on top as well. So in the end it looks like that. And if you close it, the tape will be just sturdily inside, and it can handle a bit of impact, which is important. So, and then close the box. So that's one tape packed. We do some extra taping. And we're not really, I mean, we're going all the way with the tape. Like what also can happen is like pinching in the box. So or there's pressure on the box and the spine cracks. So what we do usually with these single tape boxes, put like basically you make a belt of tape. It does help secure the box for an extra layer. So this is what it ends up looking like, single tape packed. So inside the case there's bubble wrap to secure the tape. Around the case there's newspaper. And these tape, before these boxes we had similar looking boxes, but they were a little thinner. These are thicker, so they're actually heavier, but I think it's worth it because these thick cardboard boxes can handle a little bit more impact. So that's what it is. And then we have this roll of fragile stickers. I don't know if any mail delivery person reads these, but we just put them on all our boxes. So this is one single VHS tape packed and ready to go.